What's up, Bixbyans? Today I'll be demoing how to control your phone, a few games, some capsules for history lovers, and some ways Bixby can help you relax. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that wake word out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. A video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Turn on Wi-Fi.
You already have the Wi-Fi turned on.
Check data usage. Open Mobile Hotspot settings. Ask Farm Tycoon to start.
You are the Farm Tycoon. Welcome home. I'm so sorry about your father. Time has not been kind, and you are now in charge. Rebuild our farm with blood, sweat, and wise decisions. Make him proud. Let's begin. A farm hand has been secretly running wine tours and using your resources. Do you sack him?
Yes.
Your disappointment is soothed by continuing his enterprising and profitable idea yourself.
Start Lizard Spock.
What is your hand, rock, paper, scissors, lizard, or Spock?
Lizard.
Your hand was lizard, my hand is paper. Lizard eats paper. You win.
Ask Ghost Stories to start.
Ghost Stories menu. Which spooky place would you like to visit? Your options include: Option 1, Haunted House. Which of the haunted houses locations would you like to visit?
Ask This Day in History to play.
Hello, and welcome to This Day in History, brought to you by Lucky Charms Magical Mission. Add a little fun to your family's morning and join Lucky the Leprechaun on an interactive adventure.
Ask Once Upon a Time what happened today.
On September 28, 81 years ago this happened. Warsaw surrenders to Nazi Germany during World War II.
Show episodes from Tides of History podcast.
Which episode would you like to play?
The first one.
Here's introducing Business Wars, Pizza Hut versus Domino's from Tides of History.
Business Wars' newest season is all about pizza, as they explore the Domino's versus Pizza Hut rivalry and the special sauce that makes these global brands so successful.
Start Sleep Sounds.
I found these sounds.
Babbling Brook. Ask Pets Relax to play.
Relaxation sounds for pets starting now.
Start Nature Sounds.
Playing nature sounds.
So there you go. That was a small handful of ways that Bixby can help you throughout your day. And just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Do Not Disturb is now off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.